Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward to the beginning of the actual practice, or as usual, very welcome to stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Sally. Welcome back. Good morning, Mike. Welcome back. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Juju. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will start exploring another powerful guideline, practicing which may feel really emotional to many of us. This Buddhist guideline falls into the wisdom theme or category of how we relate to others, and it is forgiveness. There are so many aspects to forgiveness. We will start with asking for forgiveness. Tomorrow we will explore practicing forgiveness towards someone who hurt us. And the day after, we'll move to setting an intention to forgive ourselves. That's a big one, right? Tara Brach writes, when we forgive, we stop rigidly identifying others or ourselves by the undesirable behaviors. Without denying anything, we open our heart and mind wide enough to see the deeper truth of who they are, of who we are. We see our goodness, we see their goodness. And when we do, our heart naturally opens in love. And we tend to forget that every person, including ourselves, is really new every moment. In his play The Cocktail Party, T.S. Eliot writes, what we know of other people is only our memory of the moments during which we knew them, and they have changed since then. We must also remember that at every meeting, we're meeting a stranger. And that really applies to ourselves as well. While we can, of course, recognize patterns of behavior in ourselves or others, our collection of assumptions doesn't define a person or ourselves. When we stop and ask, who are you really? We're led to a deeper understanding and easier acceptance. So today, let's explore the practice of asking for forgiveness. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in, to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, starting with the external circumstances, the sounds, the sensations of the world around you. Gradually zooming in on your inner world, your physical sensations at this moment, the way you feel emotionally, your thoughts. With each breath, start dissolving the boundary between the inner and the outer, reminding yourself of the interconnectedness of all things, our oneness. Allow your breath to be easy, uncontrolled. Simply follow your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice what happens as you inhale, what happens as you exhale. Invite ease, effortlessness into your body, mind, and heart. Scan your body from top to bottom. With each exhale, allowing yourself to lean in just a little bit more into the support of the earth. Allow yourself to trust the support a little more. Select a primary anchor for this practice. Remember, it can be your breath, if it's easy, or any sensation in your body, a sensation in your hands or belly or feet, anything that helps you stay grounded in the practice. And the anchor is meant to ground us, of course, and it is something that is easy to return to every time you notice that you've been distracted, that your mind is elsewhere, not here. And now bring to mind a situation in which you have caused harm to another person. You might have intentionally hurt someone with insulting words or by hanging up the phone in a fit of anger. Or you might have caused pain unintentionally in the way you ended a romantic relationship, or by being preoccupied and not realizing your child or your partner needed some special attention. Maybe you feel you've been causing harm to someone over and over again through the years, violating them with your flare-ups of temper or lack of care. Whatever it is for you, whatever comes up, take some moments to remember the circumstances that highlight how you have caused harm to another person, and sense the feelings of hurt, disappointment, or betrayal that that person might have felt. Now, holding this person in your awareness, begin asking for forgiveness. Mentally or even out loud, whisper his or her name and say, I understand the hurt you have felt, and I ask your forgiveness now. Please forgive me. I understand the hurt you have felt, and I ask your forgiveness now. Please forgive me. With a sincere heart, repeat several times your request for forgiveness. And then take some moments of silence to let yourself open to the possibility of being forgiven. And now let's send the energy of loving kindness to this person. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now let's send loving kindness to ourselves, cultivating the space where it is possible to be forgiven. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you hurt someone in your life, intentionally or unintentionally, and see if in that very moment you can pause and ask this person for forgiveness. Your day just may become a bit lighter and brighter for that, as you create a space in which understanding instead of resentment is being cultivated. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.